MPS has partnered with Cognia, which was once called Advanced Ed, to create a STEM initiative. And the STEM initiative is going to be for 2 feeder patterns of schools. One is a traditional feeder pattern and the other is a magnet feeder pattern. And the traditional feeder pattern is going to consist of Johnson Elementary, MCKEE Middle School, and Lanier High School. And then the magnet feeder pattern will be Bear Elementary School, Floyd Middle Magnet School, and Brewtech High School. It's basically a 2-step process that will hopefully lead to a Cognia STEM certification. So we have done an evaluation of where we are with STEM in the district, where we did classroom visits, we did interviews with teachers and administrators in the building, and the best part of it is we did interviews with students to develop where our state of STEM is in Montgomery Public Schools.
The teacher introduced us to it and I was interested in it just to see how it would be, so I decided to try it out. It's been fun. It's been very interesting. It's been very challenging. I've been enjoying myself. It felt so interesting to be able to set it up for the robot to move and do what it's supposed to do.
I was very interested in making robots and working together with other people and going against other teams and competing. My favorite part of it was actually building the actual robot, putting it together. I like solving equations. That's what I'm best in out of all of my subjects.
So basically my role was selling the robot. Had to go up to judges and present our robot, like sell it to them. I told them how a lot of people are dying from trying to fix power lines and that our robot could help them so that they wouldn't have to risk their lives each and every year. I feel more confident talking in front of people because I'm shy, and when I went to present to the judges, it basically brought the confidence out of me to talk.
We want STEM to have about 6 key elements in it. So one of the things is we want to have some problem-based learning, and by problem-based learning, the students are looking and making connections between all of the disciplines.
The Habitat STEM Charlotte's Web project incorporated science, reading, and English. And the students, what they had to do was bring materials from home and create an open air container that was their goose eggs habitat. And they had to take it from home to school each day, take it to each of their classes. And so it incorporated school, but it also incorporated life skills. At the end of the week, or the end of the project, they had to write a letter to myself, the principal, or their parents, and let them know what they learned as far as responsibility goes. We're reading the novel Charlotte's Web, and that talked about a pig pen for Wilbur in the barn, a web for Charlotte's spider, and a goose egg habitat that they created for their precious egg. They learned what to do, what not to do, and they learned some life skills along the way that I hope that they continue to keep throughout their schooling career.
What most people think of as STEM, S-T-E-M, science, technology, math, and engineering, while it has a place in it, that's not going to be the focus of what we do, but rather we want those students learning to solve problems, learning to engage in their learning. And the best part of it is the students are learning that failing is okay, that the first time that they try to solve the problem, it's not going to work, but what they do from that is they go back and they learn from what didn't work, and then they redesign their project. So we're already seeing that in a lot of classrooms, and it's very encouraging.